how to power, let's say, a fan through this HTRC C240 DUO battery charger. So let's first power it on. It has a switch at the back. It has two outputs on the left side and on the right side. Since I'm using the left one, I have to take a look at this screen. Currently it says lithium battery, so use the plus and minus keys to navigate to the left or to the right. Nickel metal hydride, lead acid, user settings, extra function. Now enter into the extra function using the play button or triangle. Okay, now go to the fourth one, which is digital power. Enter into that one also. Currently the voltage is set to 7.4 and the amperage is 2.8. So press the power button. Which one is flashing, that can be modified using the plus and the minus. Since this is a 12 volt fan, I have to set it to 12 volts or less. Let's set it to just 5 volts. The amperage doesn't really matter, you can accept it with the triangle. The amperage doesn't really matter because the fan is a consumer, so it will consume as much as he wants, and it will definitely not consume that much power. And to send the power to the fan, long press the triangle button again. And it's been powered at roughly 5 volts. It's consuming almost nothing, 0.0 something amps, and the fan is turning. I can stop it easily because it's underpowered. So let's stop it with the square button. Play button again. Now let's increase the voltage. You have to stop it, by the way. And this goes up to around 27 volts if I remember well. 27 volts is the maximum. Now don't start it. Do not long press that. For safety I will even disconnect it. Short press the play, and the maximum for the amperage is 10. So if I long press the play button, it will send 27 volts at 10 amps. That is 270 watts. So don't do that. I lower the voltage to only 12. Put the wire back. It has crocodile connectors. And now long press it. And the fan is turning. It's drawing air in here and it's blowing it out there. Stop button turns it off. So the digital power has to be used in order to power something. Whenever I stop it and the consumer is connected to it, I get this reverse polarity check. And if I disconnect it, it's gone. So at extra function, digital power is able to power something.